students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. In this video, we will do the exercise 11.3 part 2. And in last video, we have done part 1 in which we have done question number 1 to 9. And today, we will proceed further with our question number 10. So let's begin, student. Question number 10 we have from a circular sheet of radius 14 centimeter. One circular sheet is there, and if we talk about any circle, always we'll talk about either diameter or radius. Okay, so the radius for the circular sheet is 14 centimeter. Two small circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and one rectangle whose length and breadth is given to you are removed. Means one full circular sheet is there, and from this circular sheet two small circles and one rectangle shape, it's removed. You have cut it, right student? And the question is find the remaining area of the sheet. That's it student. The same type of question we have done in part 1 as well. Here from one sheet three shapes has removed. This and this. It means what you will do? You will subtract all these three areas with the area of sheet. Right student? It means the total area of these two small circles and one rectangle. You will subtract with the area of sheet. That's it. That will be the remaining part for the sheet. Yes or no? Yes students. So see, the base of the equation is same only. Okay. So let's start the solution. What is the solution? So directly I am going to start. As the question is asking area of remaining sheet. What will be the area for remaining sheet student? The area for remaining sheet will be the area of a circular sheet, right? Area of circular sheet minus, what you will minus? Minus area of small circle, small circles plus area of rectangle. Yes or no student? Obvious, these total area, total means obvious plus, these total area you will subtract with the circular sheet, then you will get the answer. Right student? Now see, two circle we have, one is bigger circle, one is smaller circle. So always the bigger circle on sheet you will represent with capital R, and the small circle on radius you will represent with small r. This thing always you keep in mind. Okay, so let's start. Area of circular sheet. Circular sheet means area of circle is pi r square, that is capital R, minus area of small circle, that will be pi small r square. This area is for one circle, and how many small circles we have? Two. So it means 2 pi r square, because pi r square plus pi r square you can do, or directly you will do 2 into pi r square. Logically everything you have to do student, right? Now next is plus area of rectangle is length into breadth. Every formula we know, so we have put it, and now directly put the values and get the solution. That's it. So pi capital R is given to you 14 centimeter, 14 into 14. Pi value is also given to you, that is 22/7, right? Minus 2 into pi, small r is student, small r is 3.5 into 3.5 plus length into breadth, length into breadth, 3 ones are 3. So centimeter square. So directly I have written this one centimeter square, this one centimeter square. So common only I have written outside. Okay, don't forget to write down the unit. So now solution, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Okay, here also 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. It means 0.5. So it is 3.5. So after one digit decimal. So these small things we have learned in our previous topics. Only we are just using into it for solution. Now solving. 12 twos are 24, 24 14s are 616 minus 2 into 2 into 22, 44, 42 into 0.5 into 3.5, the answer is 77. So 77 plus 3, 80. So student, 616 minus 80. Got good student, this is just a multiplication and addition. Now 616 minus 80. We'll get the answer 536. It means 536 is the area for remaining sheet. Have you seen student? Question is very simple. It is just a calculation. And while doing the calculation, you have to be careful. So calculation should be correct. Then only you will get the correct answer. As the question is just very simple. Right? So student, I hope you got this question. This was about question number 10. Now coming to our next question. Now question number 11 student. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut from a square piece of aluminium sheet. Again, one sheet is there of square shape and circle is cut and that radius is given to you. Find the area of left over the aluminium sheet. Again, very simple. How you will find out the area of leftover? Area of this sheet minus area of this circle. And area of square, you know, side to side, area of circle, pi r square. So simply our pi value is also given to you. You will use 3.14. So same question as we have done in question number 10. Right student? So this question is homework for you. Very simple question. Student, in mathematics questions are very simple only. See, again and again same type of questions are coming but in different mode. Here is aluminium sheet, there was the circular sheet, whatever, but method is same. You will subtract the area of this minus area of this. That's it. Right? Now coming to our question number 12. The circumference of circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and area. In question number 2 we have done circumference 2 pi r. R we don't know, but from the circumference the value is given. Easily find out the value for radius, and if you know the radius, area is pi r square, easily we know the value of area. It means just calculations are there and you have to be focused on the calculation. So this question is also homework for you. Student, I am giving a question for the practice because when you will do the practice, then only you will understand the concept. Right student? So this question number 11 and 12 both are homework for you. You will solve it by your own. So this is all about these questions. Now coming to our next question. Question number 13 we have a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path of 4 meter wide. Means a circular flower bed is there. You know student, flower bed where we grow the plants. Like you can say kyari, where we grow the plants. Okay, and this flower bed is surrounded by a path which is 4 meter wide. Means from this flower bed it is 4 meter wide. Okay, suppose there is a flower bed and at the distance of 4 meter one path has made. Okay student, and the diameter of flower bed, this full diameter is given to you 66 meter. If diameter is 66, we want radius into the formula. So radius we know, half of the diameter, so that is 33 meter is the radius. Right student? 33 meter radius for this flower bed. Inner one circle, right? And outer one, this is also a path in a circular. So for this circular, what is the radius? That we don't know, because the question is what is the area of path? This path area. Again, inside one path area, how you will find out? There is one method only. Outer one area minus inner one area. And both are in circle. So outer also pi r square, inner also pi r square. Outer one r will be capital, but inner one r will be smaller. Right? So smaller r we know 33 meter. What about capital R? So student, center from here only this path has made. Okay, from here to here the radius is 33. But we want till here, that is 4 meter. It means 33 plus 4, because this total full radius we want till path. Center, from center till path. From center to inside 33 and till path there is 4 meter wider. So 33 plus 4 is 37 meter. It means the capital R is 37 meter. Got it student? Got. This is a flower bed and this is the circular path. So flower bed says radius is 33. and this till here is circular path, but radius will from center till here. So this is 4 meters. So 33 plus 4, total radius will be 37. Got, student? I hope you got. Now both radius we found. So now simply solution is area of path will be what? Area of outer path minus area of flower bed. Right, student? Flower bed. And area of outer part circular है, so it means area of circle pi r square minus pi small r square. Area will same, but radius will be different. Now pi value we can take out common, so r square minus r square. Put the value of r, capital R, put the value of small r. Now calculation are there only, and here no value of pi is given to you. Either you can use 22 by 7 or 3.14, or you can choose 22 by 7. Only you will do the calculation. Capital R 37 into 37 minus small r 33 into 33. So this is just calculation, students. This you can do. You will solve first bracket, multiply, this multiply, answer you will subtract, and then you will solve with the 22 by 7. This type of solution you know, student, how to do. Okay, so this calculation part you will do by your own. Right, student? And definitely you have to do, because when you will do practice for the calculation, then you will able to do the right calculation. Right, student? So this is all about question number 13, which is very simple. Now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 14, a circular flower garden has an area 314 meters square. One garden you are having, student, and area of this garden is given to you. Right? A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius 12 meters. It means there is one sprinkler. What is sprinkler, student? It means one fountain tank who is sprinkling the water all over the garden. Right? And the radius is given to you, means from the center at this much radius it is rotating, right? And the radius is given to you 12 meters. Right, student? Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? Means this sprinkler, is it giving water to all over the garden? पूरे garden में water sprinkler हो रहा है, student? So how you will find out? See, if this area of this sprinkler is greater than or equal to with this area of garden, it means yes. Or if the area for the sprinkler is less, it means it can't. It means first of all you will find out the area of a sprinkler. So area of sprinkler is area. The sprinkler is revolving in a circular motion. So circular motion means area of circle. Right, student? So let's start the solution. The area of sprinkler is equals to pi r square. Why? Because it is in circular motion, so area of circle is pi r square. Pi is given to you 3.14. So 3.14 into r is, radius is given to you 12 centimeter, 12 meter. 12 meter into 12 meter. Right, student? So 12 12s are 144. So 3.14 into 144 meter square. So when you will multiply this, we will get the answer 452.16 meter square. So student, this is the area of sprinkler. What is the area of garden? Area of garden is given to you, that is 314 meters square. So it means area of sprinkler is greater than. So what is the answer? Yes, the sprinkler will give the water to the entire garden. That's it, student. It is just a common question that is giving water. Yes, if area is greater, then yes, it is giving a water. Right, student? Very simple question. We just need to find out the area. If the area is greater than the area of garden, then yes. If not, then it will not. It means some portion will be left. Yes or no? Right, students? So very simple question, logical question we have. You think it logically. That's it. So this was all about question number 14. Now coming to our next question. Coming to question number 15, find the circumference of inner and outer circle. That's it. Two circles are there. Inner circle circumference 2 pi r, outer one also 2 pi r. Just put the values and get the answer. So for that, r, first of all, outer circle, student. Outer circle radius. Outer circle radius you take as capital R, and inner one circle radius take as small r. Understood? So capital R means outer circle till here, from the center till last. So it is given to you total 19 meters. So it is 2 pi r. So it means 2 into pi value is also given to 3.14. R is 19 meter. So 19 to the 38. 38 into 3.14, answer is 119.32 meter. This is circumference for outer circle. Now for inner circle, student, inner circle radius will be small r, right? So that is formula remains same, 2 pi r. So that is 2 into pi 3.14. Now student, r. This is smaller, still center till here. But it is not given to you. But total is given to you, and this much path is given to you, that is 10. So it means 90 total minus this path is 10. So that is 9 meter is the inner circle one radius. And see, inner one is 9, outer one distance is 10. So 9 plus 10, total 19 only. This question is just opposite of flower bed. Right, student? Understood? So it means small r is 9 meter. So 9 meter. 9 to the 18, and 18.3.14 is 56.52 meter. That's it, student. These calculations are there. You have to find out inner and outer circle circumference. So this is the circumference for outer circle. This is the circumference for inner circle. That's it. Very simple, student. We have this question. Now this is all about question number 15. Now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 16. How many times a wheel is a circular. So circular wheel is there. So radius is given to you. How many times a wheel whose radius is this much must rotate to go this much distance, meter? This question is little bit logical, student. What is the question? One wheel is there of any car or car, whatever. Fine. So that one wheel has to be covered this much distance. So how many times it will rotate? How many times it will rotate? So it means number of rotation. Number of rotation you have to find out. Right, student? And number of rotation means one rotation will be, see, from this center, one wheel is rotating till this point. This is called one rotation. And similarly, we go with this. This is called second rotation. And this full rotation is called circumference. It means the wheel will rotate n times of its circumference. Yes or no? So it will be n times of its circumference. Means total perimeter, full circle circumference. Got, student? And how much? Means suppose I have to move from here till here. So how many steps I will take? That I don't know, number of steps. Okay. Now it's a wheel. Wheel will rotate. Rotate means full circumference. Right. So it will be n times of its circumference. And the number of steps we don't know. But we know how much total distance it has to be covered. 352 meter. Right, student? And in this question, student will do one mistake, that radius is given to you in centimeter and distance is in meter. So first of all, make the unit same. How? So 1 meter we know 100 centimeter. So 352 meter is equals to 35200 centimeter. Right? Now both came into one unit. Now, student. So it means how much will be the rotation? It means the distance covered. Distance covered by wheel. The distance covered by wheel will be n time of its circumference. Yes or no? Distance कितना cover करेगा? जितनी बार rotate करेगा. So n time of circumference. Distance is given to you. That is 35200 centimeter. And n times of means multiply its circumference. So circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Understood, student? Now calculation only, and we don't know. 2 pi value is given 22/7 and r radius is also given to you 28 centimeter. So here 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28. Now n value we need to find out. It means the term will shift that side. Divide by this 22 2s are 44, 44 4s are 176. So 176 centimeter will be number of rotation. Right, student? So now centimeter will cancel out with centimeter because they are in fraction. Now this will also 176 ones are 176, 176 twos are 352 and 20 as it is. It means the wheel will take 200 rotations to cover this much distance. That's it, student. I hope you got this question. This question is just little bit logical. The number of rotation, obviously number of rotation circular, so it's circumference. जितना उसका circumference उतना वो distance cover करेगा, and distance is given to you this much. Understood, student? This is all about question number 16. Now the last question, again we have the same type. That question is homework for you. Question number 7 is the last question and this is homework for you. But I discussed with you how to do. In that question, one clock is there. Here I am going to do. One clock is there and the distance from the center of one minute hand is given to you 17 meter long. That is called radius only because from the center till here, that is called radius. The center, whatever you are drawing, that is radius only. So this is minute hand length. That is called r. So the question is, after 1 hour, this minute hand will rotate, student, and this will rotate in circular motion. The question is, you have to tell how much distance this minute hand covered. As you can see, circumference, जितना circumference of circle होगा, that will be the total distance covered by minute hand. And circumference 2 pi r. R is given to you 17 meter. Right, student? So this is only all about your question. Given in a activity based question, logical question, but the value is same, formula is same, and you have to do the calculation. I hope you got this question. You will easily get the answer. Okay, so student, question number 17 is the last question of exercise 11.3. And I hope you got this exercise. In this we have learned about the circumference of circle and area of circle. Okay, and this concept is very important as well. So that's all for today's class, student. Then thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.